Welcome to another installation walkthrough from Versatile High Performance Coatings. Today, we will walk you through how to install our 5085 Ultra-High Solids Polyaspartic Topcoat. Before you begin, make sure you have these sundries ready: can openers, a cordless drill and mixing paddle, spike shoes, an extension pole, a roller and frame, a magic trowel, and some rags. Lay them all out in your mixing station to ensure a smooth install. And don't skip your safety gear. Wear them throughout the entire install. We've already applied a 4195 direct-to-concrete pigmented epoxy primer and 1/4 inch blend of flake to this floor. Make sure that your primer is fully cured and the flake has been scraped and cleaned before installing your 5085 Ultra-High Solids Polyaspartic Topcoat. This product gives you a high build, ultra durable finish all in a single coat. Mix the A and B components in a clean bucket for 2 to 3 minutes at a steady pace. Mix at a lower RPM to prevent introducing air into the coating. Suit up in your spike shoes and pour out a 6 to 8 inch ribbon. And spread it with a magic trowel. Work methodically across the surface. Pulling the material tight for full coverage. Then grab a new lint-free roller and back roll. First, front to back, then side to side. For a consistent, even finish. All that's left is to let the top coat cure. You can walk on it in 24 hours and it's ready for heavy traffic or vehicles in 72. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next install.